All intact, all perfectly, and maybe even a DLC or something also included somewhere. The rumors were completely going wild, but the main ones dropped. It's kind of a big deal. Anyways, that's it for today. We'll see you all next time with a brand new video.
You gonna do that too? Oh, that's fun.
Manual recording will now start.
We had to go outside and chase Daniel's dog in the front yard for an hour just to cool down. That final level was so exciting for me.
The gunpowder would be removed and replaced with the power of friendship.
Fucking deer. What the fuck was that?
That adds more story to the games.
Okay,
Think
what
about
the
how Nazi
fuck are you
zombies
doing?
Manual recording will now start.
The fuck are you doing?
Slash adventure, sign me right up. Exploring the open world of Middle Earth was incredible, and plenty of collectibles as well. Shadow of War.
Arrival cutscene. There are a total of 7 armor abilities leaving the reach. There is sprint,
The left and right mouse buttons at the same time. Unless you happen to be hovering over an item of interest. Then it won't work. Oh yeah. In game modes. Instead opting for adding and removing them at a whim. For a month or two we had shoddy snipes and team snipers. Then they were gone. This has happened 100 times.
Manual recording.